All right, y'all, so we are on to extract this guy. We got a center punch here. We are going to, of course, put it in the center. We have a couple different drill bit sizes and screw extractor set. I'll go small for you guys. I don't think the small ones are gonna work, but I'll do one small one, then I'll jump up a couple sizes because this is a big ass screw. So let's get to it. So we're gonna line it up to where we want it, just about in the center, okay? That is gonna give us our drilling point. Let me get a better angle. It's about center. All right, so another one for good measure. We're gonna start off small. And I need to get my drill. Where are you, or where are you, drill? We have a fresh battery, okay. Let's see how many batteries I go through. Just wanna take your time, be slow, be efficient. Might wanna even go smaller than that one. Let's do this one. Okay. I'm gonna get my magnet here for you guys to clean up this mess. We have our extractor. We are going to now hammer this in to the hole. Now this might not be the exact size hole. I don't remember what size bit that was, but nonetheless, we are gonna shove this sucker in there and hope for the best. So just take your time. Okay. All right. Now we are going to take our extractor here. We are gonna tighten this sucker up. Okay. And now we can turn it. Trying to get a better bite here will probably do the trick. Is it turning? It is turning. We are in luck. So, it might not be as bad as y'all think, but once we get this out, hope the threads are good. We will do a little inspection. Yeah, so there's a little bit of slight damage in the threads, just in that area. If you can see it, there we go. But the threads look overall in very, very good shape. Once we get those new bolts in, we should be okay. One can hold it. I have the other one. But it looks like those threads are damaged in there. I might have to do a little something in there, and that will be part 2 next video.